Triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides, having 3 vertices. The angle formed inside the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Types of triangle. Scalene triangle. All the sides of a triangle having different side measurement. Isosceles triangle. 2 sides of a triangle are of the same measure. Equilateral triangle. All the 3 sides of a triangle having equal side measurements. Acute angle triangle. All the angles of a triangle are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle triangle. One of the angles of a triangle is greater than 90 degrees. Right angle triangle. One of the angles of a triangle is equal to 90 degrees. Altitude. The altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. Orthocenter of triangle. The point where the altitudes of a triangle meet is known as the orthocenter. Median. The median of a triangle is a line segment that connects a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Centroid. Every triangle has 3 medians, and they intersect at a single point called the centroid.